What's up everybody? Today I show how to create a high quality landing page. We are using the brand new Opus 5. Watch the AI generate the layout. Refine your sections, design smarter and ship fast. In the Google search bar, type on ClickUp to go to my ClickUp account. First I change my location to USA. Now I select model, Opus 5. I paste the detailed prompt to create SaaS landing website. Click here to generate the site. Here says, Rohit. The whole brief is still bracket placeholders. No product name, no audience, no pricing. I can't write real copy for a product I don't know. Give me 3 things and I'll build the whole thing. What the product does, 1 line, who it's for, and the CTA, free trial versus demo. I'll make every other call myself. Palette, type, structure, pricing tiers, all of it. Okay, I select the first one. It's pondering. It's built the site. Unmark landing. I click the icon to open in a new tab. I like the hero section. Link is working. Tab is working. FAQ is also working. I like the footer. Wow, it's a nice landing page. See, there is a nice paging section. Overall, it's good. You can also create your own SaaS landing page using Opus 5 in ClickUp.